Her hair perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her everything. I know when I pop in when she won't believe me. It's all everything that she won't see what I see. Every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and just the way you are. Her lips, I can kiss it on the lips she wants. Her love, in the heart of this sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, she's such a good. I look so great. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. You're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. You're amazing, just the way you are. There's not a thing that I would change, 'cause though you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. What's up, Tarlac? How are you guys doing? Good? Grabe yung ulan, no? Thank you. At least the rain has settled down. It's so nice to see all your faces. Thank you so much for coming. I love you guys too. Before I start my next song, I would like to thank the following. Of course, thank you to the A-Team, the Belenismo, sa Tarlac Awards Night. Thank you for having me here. Thank you so much. And of course, thank you Donya, Isabel, and Ma'am Isa Juanco Suntay of the Tarlac Heritage Foundation. Thank you so much. And for this next song, it's a song from my album. This song is called Future. Are you ready? Let's go. The first thing that I saw you is future that I see through. Shaped up inside, a place too strange for paradise. We go catching light in goodness your eyes. I see my future, losing control, absorbing you. You are, you are. It don't matter where you from, what matters is we have that connection. Combines us two, where we ain't gonna lose. Yeah, I don't know if you get me. I'm not sure if you got me. I know. Don't leave us behind. Let us fight for us, our future again. I see my future, losing control of tighten up your strings, open your hands, don't get tamed by anything. There's disrespect. We need to play. I see my future, control of you are for all. I see my future, losing control of you. Thank you so much, Darla! Grabing basa dito ah! Nagpagantong pantalon pa ako ah! Mababasa pa pala! Okay lang. Thank you guys so much for coming. I love you guys for showing up. But are you excited for the next person? Make some more noise. Are you excited? Alright, is she here? Who are you guys excited for? Alright, let's make some noise for Keisha Montinolo!
Sige nga. Okay pa kayo dyan? Totoo ba? Hep, hep! Oh. Kayo, huwag kayo magpatalo. Hep, hep! Kayo naman nasa kita. Hep, hep! Diba? I love the energy out here. So, I would be glad to sing isa pang kanta. Gusto niyo ba yun? Okay lang ba? Okay lang ba? Isa pa? Yes? Okay. I'll be singing another song. Thank you ba. But before that, I would like to thank Doña Isabel and Ma'am Lisa Juanco, Suntay of Tarlac Heritage Foundation for this event, 18th Belenismo sa Tarlac Awards Night. Without them, wala kami dito para magpasaya sa inyo. So thank you so much, Tarlac, for the love. For the love. Happy ba kayo? Happy ba kayo? Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Ayan pa. Anyway, at dahil love na love namin kayo, parang isa pang kanta? Pwede ba? Pwede bang isa pang kanta? Let's play a song. Let's have another song. Isa pa? Isa pa? Sige nga. Sige na nga. At dahil dumarating na ang Pasko, para sa inyo to, okay? Sana magustuhan niyo ang kanta ko.
Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. Kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. At kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig. At kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka, makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Sa iyong Pasko.
Yeah, thank you so much, Tarlac, for having us!
Thank you so much po. Love you all.
And we wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas!
Sana ngayong Pasko ay masaya din kayo. Okay ba?
Hip hip! Let's go!
Thank you so much, Tarlac. See you again very soon. Thank you so much, Sharon and Kai. Merry Christmas! Guys, inig kayo? Gusto niyo ba? Parang inig. Gusto niyo ba? Talaga. We have a lot in store for you at the record. Get ready for another treat as we bring to the stage a singer actor who started in the PBB and debuted his acting career on the top rating shows. May Kadenang Ginto, May Huwag Kang Mangamba, Lyrical Beat, Dirty Linen, and recently in Sins of the Father. Put your hands together for the ABS-CBN and Star Magic Heartthrob and MMFF 2024 Breakthrough Actor. Tawagin natin sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3, Seth Medellin!
Guys, first of all, gusto ko lang i-inform na first time namin ulit na gawin to, and I'm happy na kahit maulan, sinalubong nyo kami. And naggaling na rin ako dito sa bayan nyo ng Tarlac, and uwi na tayo? Uuwi na tayo! Oh, dahil dyan, na napakaganda mo, dahil sinabi mong uuwi na tayo. Alam niyo yung kantang Umuwi Ka Na Baby? Kanina nagpaalam kasama ko sa likod. Sabi ko, ang boring naman kung ako lang kakanta. Hindi. Ang gusto ko kasama kong kumanta yung taga-Tarlac. Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba? Ha? Okay ha? So guys, itong kantang to, ang title na ito, Umuwi Ka Na Baby. Gusto ko magpasalamat dahil bahagi ako ng 18th Galinismo sa Tarlac Awards Night. At syempre, gusto ko itong batiin na special na pasalamatan sila Ma'am Doña Isabel at Ma'am Isa Cuanco Suntay of the Tarlac Heritage Foundation. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, Ma'am. At maraming salamat po. Hindi ko na patatagalin itong gabing to. Sino gusto nyo makita? Gusto nyo sino nanonood dito ng Sins of the Father? Kilala nyo si Arisa? O kilala nyo si Cassie Mondragón? Please all welcome the most beautiful smile in the whole wide world. Please all welcome one and only Francine Diaz!
Kita sa'yo. Di naman ako bolero, katulad ng ibang tao. Ang totoo'y pag nandyan ka, medyo nabubulol pa nga ako. Nalanis lang ang dila niyan, huwag kang magala. Dahan-dahan ka lang, baka pag di ka'y mabiktima. Huwag naman sana, akin ka na lang, iingatan ko ang puso mo. Akin ka na lang, wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo. Di naman sa sinisiraan ko ang pangit na yan. Huwag ka dapat sa'kin magduda, hindi kita pababayaan. Akin ka na lang, iingatan ko ang puso mo. Akin ka na lang, wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo. Akin ka na lang, liligaya ka sa pag-ibig ko. Akin ka na lang, wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo.
What's up, Tarlac? Magandang gabi po. Sorry, kinuha ko yung bata. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Ang next song ko, feeling ko alam nyo to. Pag alam nyo, pwede nyo ba ako sabayan? Wala akong marinig. Sasabayan nyo ako? Dito! Marinig ang sigaw!
When I first saw you, I closed my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball counts. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing bell feeling so alone. I keep waiting for. That's all I really know. I talk to your dad, don't peek out of my dress. It's a love story, baby, just say. Cause we were both young when I first saw you.
Pero, bago ang lahat, gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Donna Isabel and Ma'am Isa Juan Kusunday of the Tarlac Heritage Foundation. Thank you for this night! At ayaw natin matapos ang gabi ng mag-isa. Tama? Nakakapagod.
Hello! Bago ko pumasok sa stage, pwede bang pakibukas ang mga flashlight? Come on, guys. Sino dito nakapanood ng My Future You? Okay? Play music po tayo, pero gusto ko romantic. Baka kung sakali may part 2, guys. Come on!
Say hello to Alexander Ramos. My Aquaman.
Ilang oras na ako andito. Umuwi na ng tropa ko. Sino ba naman kasi mag-aakalang sa larawan ay natutulala. Sa likod ng tanawin, tila may tumatawag sa'kin. Di ko na namalayan tama sa larawan. Kahit di na mamalayan, ikaw lang ang gustong tingnan. Di ko man masabi kahit lahat-lahain. Pwede ba na manatiling ikaw lang ang gustong pagmasdan?
bibigyan kayo lahat sa picture. That's it guys, thank you so much. Sana napasaya namin kayo. Ako, si Francine, at syempre si Jaren at si Kai. Sana napasaya namin kayo. At you know. Yeah, sana nag-enjoy kayo and I hope na makabalik kami dito ulit sa susunod. At maraming salamat po sa nag-invite sa amin. Sa nag-arrange ng event na to kahit magulan, nandito kayo. Thank you so much. And yeah, maraming po salamat dito sa 18th Belinismo. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much.
At sa lahat po na nakikanta sa amin, maraming salamat. Kahit na umuulan, kahit na bumabaha. Salamat, nag-stay kayo. Sana sa mga susunod pa. Nagkikita-kita ba tayo sa Pasko? Yes!
Guys, yeah, Shake, Rattle, and Roll Evil Origins, December 25. At sana isa tong Tarlac sa mapuntahan namin sa mga promos namin para masamahan namin kayo sa mga araw na manonood kayo. Thank you so much. Abangan nyo.
Thank you and Merry Christmas!